Rest in peace and screw tonight, we take it slowly. Yeah. Rest in peace and screw tonight, we take it slow. Oh my God, I just can feel the love. Jumped out with the wind was up. Jump inside, I want you roll with us. Make the devil like the rain.
Good evening, traders. Welcome to episode 124 of TA with me, Mitch Ray. You could be doing anything, but you're hanging out with me and watching Bitcoin drop pretty fast, right? But on pretty mediocre volume. But hey, man, it's all bots anyway within this pattern. Seems like this pattern is, you know, whether you want to call it a bear flag still with a false breakout or an ascending broadening wedge, those are still both very bearish patterns. And guess what, man? We got as high as 50% of the way. That is the most common area you could ever retrace from a huge impulse down. Okay, it's so common that Charles Dow made a theory, the Dow theory. All right, remember, swing on a swing low. Remember our common retrace zone. Remember, oh my God, how many times we have to talk about it? Holy crap, man. 382. 382. 50%. 618. Your common retrace zone. We scream about it for the past 6 months, 7 months. We've been talking about common retrace zones over and over and over again. You make impulses down, then you retrace to common areas, and then you're looking to see price action reversal. We got it at the 50%. Look, we failed. How many times we talk about this week and how many times we failed to break above the 50%? How many times? 6+ times we failed. Like scrubs, all right? Then we were making lower highs. Volume was tapering off. And so, yeah, we had a flag here. Broke that flag pretty fast, pretty dramatically, all right? So that's what happens when you fail enough times, okay? So, you know, with those fibs, interestingly enough, well, you know, our candle body is currently at that 236, but it's not relative anymore. I just replotted those fibs so you could see, again, how fibs work and why it's not really uncommon where we decided to crap out at, all right? So getting rid of them for the sake of simplicity for the viewer. And now we have our new fibs up, right? Swing low of the pattern to the highest high of the pattern, the ascending broadening wedge. You can clearly see we plummeted past that 382. We tested it one time, fell below it, just ran past the 50 EMA, ran just straight past that 50% retrace, and we're right around that 618. That is your last common area, all right? Remember, when you have an impulse up, you make common retraces to the 382, the 50%, 618. And we're at the end of it, okay? We're at the ends of the earth of common retraces, okay? Get it? It's not crazy, man. It's not crazy at all. So that's kind of what's been going on with Bitcoin. There are reasons why things happen. Negative momentum's built. We have not seen negative momentum like this since the 17th, all right? So okay, so that's it. Big spike in negative momentum. Huge breakdown to very, very weak levels back to 34, 33. What does that mean? That means we're not oversold. That means we could break down even lower if we wanted to. We could go all the way to the bottom of this pattern. Okay, definitely. Crazy, man. All right, let's take a look at chat. What's up, Mr. Selecki, man? Mr. Wolf, Dave Kellen, Steven Stan. Good to see you, dude. What's up, Skyward Man? Nick Burbage, J-Rock Era. Oh, Nick Burbage, dude. Hope you're having a good one, alright? What's up, Mr. Taxi Driver? You like to follow Street to the stream. That's cool. Glad to hear that. Very cool. Hey, John Miller, Jimmy Ragsdale, the X Factor Jesus Man. Glad you're doing well. What's up from the plane? Oh, man. You're flying. Well, you're inversing Bitcoin then, alright? What you're doing with the stock market's doing. So, hey, what's up, Rob N, Super Arcade 12. Brad Fisher just says screwed. Yeah, we are screwed. Insert the Michael Scott gif. Ooh, nice little pullback. For now, anyway. So, but timeless being. Yeah, remember, just since it's so early in the show, remember to hit that like button, that bell, that sub. If you're enjoying this, if you want to see this channel grow, prosper, for one day when there's a new bull market, we'll be there to help people that come in that don't know what anything. We'll be the ones to help them to make sure they don't get screwed, okay? Because I know a lot of people did get screwed during the Great FOMO, and we want to be there to keep people calm, all right, and educate people when they start coming into the market one day, if there's ever euphoria like we saw in late 2017, all right? That's the whole point. That's the reason why we started this thing, okay? We came from the great foam of ashes to help people invest in themselves so they'd be prepared for the next run. So, Josh B, Pat McLaughlin, P. Miller, man, good to see you, dude. It's been a second. What coffee for crypto? Irwin coffee. Oh, man, you want the best coffee, man? You need to drink this, dude, because this thing's the only thing that's been keeping me alive today, alright? Just like in the day stream, I just didn't get much sleep last night, but I have a coffee mug as large as my face, so it's been wonderful. Okay, I've tuned it up today. So Lewis F, Essex Hammer, good to see you, dude. Yeah, we'll look at a Beanie Baby. Alright. That's right, JD. OG indeed. What's up, MK man? Stop the music. Let's pay our respects to everyone in the chat. The Jesus peoples. Which are you, alright? So about BC Miner, man. Prodigal Taurus, hello. Lee Binky. I love Apollo. No, I don't. Don't put words in my mouth. Don't really even know what it does, okay? So about Sprocket, man. Brian Ruggiero, Mr. Ruggiero's neighborhood, man. So about SoPro 03. Olaw to you, dude. Alright, aka Logan. Alright. Poor Pepe, so sad. No, that's Monkey S, Prodigal Taurus. He's sad, but he's also just... Look at that. He's looking at that big red candle saying, oh my god, man, scary stuff. Alright. I should put up a playlist on Spotify for y'all. Should I? I don't know. So about Jevin, man. Franklin Diaz. Maybe so. Maybe one day, right? What's up, Larley, man? There he is. He just keeps reminding me of Home Alone, dude. Good memories, you know, Home Alone and stuff, man. When you were a kid, you watching that show, it's good stuff. So, Crypto Conrad, yeah, Larley had the, I believe it was just anchor point 1 and 2 on the bottom. He might have done it on the top. I'm trying to remember. Yeah, I think he did it. He adjusted it and made it to the top side, maybe. Something like that, where he's got the channel, trying to just include all the chop, which is smart, but either way. Okay, so his bear flag, my ascending prodding wedge, both scrubby bearish patterns. Ugh. So, you know, that kind of sucks. For any bulls anyway. So about Crypto Marcius. So about HFL Productions. Jeff, hello. Earth Ya. Still ASD, man. Nah, dude, we never look at Ripple. We'll never look at Ripple. I'm sorry, man. Okay. You're just gonna have to deal with it. Kappa. What's up, Tristan, dude? Anytime, dude. Anytime. A quick white is like lightning. Interesting. Hey, yeah, Twitch people. You get that? If you make it white, then blue or something, it's like lightning. Holy crap. I need to set up some sort of setting for that. That'd be really cool. Prodigal Tar says the stink eye. You have pink eye? Is that what that is? Gross. So about Crypto Ganja. Hey, Crypto Ganja.
Is that a joint?
So about Drew Crew. So Charles S. What's good? Not Bitcoin, right? John Parker, hello. Tasty Toast. Nick Patton. Jacob Schultz, I'll never forget that typo, Jacob Schultz, in the TTS when you made your Z and X, okay, dude? You're just never gonna forget it. So about Blockchain Bandit, you can't misspell your last name. You can't do it. Whoa, man, that's a scary lightning right there. That was a big one. Wish I had thunder noise. Dang, man, I need to get a thunder sound bit. Someone want to clip one for me? Thanks. So Mr. Khan, Nexus of Hate, I'm doing well, man. A little tired. I broke it, kind of. Yeah, definitely kind of broke it. What's up, Fearless One? Zachary Wilkerson. Zachary, man. Here you go, dude. That's all I got, alright? That's all I got going for now. Do I want another Apollo donation? Whatever, man. I mean, it was never about that, you know. It was just more about helping people invest in themselves so they can be ready for the next bull run, right? That's all it's been about, right? So, not really about the Apollo donations, okay? So, about Joel G. Yeah, we can look at Poe, man, if you want. Poe for show. That's mainly all it is. XRP doing things? Yeah. Bad things. Man, it got so close to that measured move. Everything's pulling back a little bit. Pretty nice.
Is that a joint?
All I got is 420 balls.
Hey, Montana, man. Thanks for the $4.20. Freaking love you, man. Good to see you, dude. Good to friggin' see you. Hey, you're the inspiration. You know that, right? Why we kept augmenting the 420 emoji ball, right? You're it. It's your fault. In a good way, right? In a positive way. It very well could happen, right? And, you know, that's not only the bottom of my wedge, it's the bottom of a channel or a flag, too. It's just an upsloping support. And also, you've got that downsloping 700% trend line of the fib channel, right? So, you've got all kinds of stuff down here. But we're bouncing off the 618 right now, it seems like. You know, that's your last common area. That's it. So, about Crypto De Niro. Chris Lloyd. Just getting through all this chat, alright? Hello, Ali Imam Abidi. Welcome. Good morning to you. Where are the lights? What do you mean for Earth, Yah? Where are they? They're literally everywhere, okay? Hello, Damien. Andy, the Twitch Jesus lady. Hello. Yeah, y'all did break the lights. No, they're working. No, they're actually still kind of, like, one's orange and the rest are green right now. Ugh. Get this Miami stuff out of here, dude. Miami Hurricanes. Pretty crazy looking lighting, though, man. You gotta say, when the lighting messes up, it looks really cool. So, yeah, still doing shout-outs. I mean, that's it, dude. That's how it works. And if people don't like it, they can go to 99% of other chats where the streamer doesn't really care about you or engaging with you, okay? So I'm inverse of that, and so, okay, I'm just not going to change my show after 7 months just because there are more people here, okay? If I don't grow anymore because I'm engaging with chat too much, I don't care, right? I don't care. So, John Cardoza, ready about this dips, man? Alright. Thanks, Lee, man. Appreciate that. The vet-to-vet pairing, Mr. Kanatomo? Yeah. Yeah, man. What's up about Ruby Lively? 420 no scope. Is this true, man? When do you swing low to swing high or high to low? It's all relativity, right? So when you have a swing high, when you have a major swing high and you break down, huge tank, right? You break down hard and then you pivot and you finally find a major swing low and you start moving up. You would then plot your tool, plot point 1 here, the top to the bottom, because you're looking for a retrace.
God bless you. This is your favorite Apollo fanboy. Keep up the good work, my friend. McAfee for President 2020. You're my boy Blue.
Hey, my boy Blue. Hey, Lee, man. Lee Binky, man. Thank you so much, dude, for the $3.33 repeating, of course. The Tron Connect in the jar. Thank you, dude. We have the Tesla, Weed, and the Tron Connect. Thank you, dude. Really, really appreciate you. So, when you're looking for a retrace, think about it, man. I'll just do some fib education, whatever. People are like, do my S-Coin now. I don't care about learning. I care about just doing my stuff. Do my nanos, do my in-caches. Let me vomit, okay? Hold on. Swing high to swing low. Okay, you find that major swing low, you start moving on up, higher low, increase low. Okay, the major swing low's in, so let's see, we have common retraces. Here's a 23% retrace, right? You've retraced 23% of the way when you get to this point from that area, right? 23%. Then your next area is the 38.2% retrace from the bottom to the top, right? Retrace that much. Then you run up to the 50% retrace. That is your most common area retrace after bearish impulses before you make a price reversal. That is what fibs are for. Finding value or where you're going to reversal, okay? Where you're going to reverse price action, okay? And then there's the 618. And remember, as I've said a billion times, beating a dead horse just like I beat a dead horse when Ripple was at 42 cents and it was going to tank to 28 cents real quick. If we didn't hold, and we got there in a day and a half, this is your common retrace. After an impulse down, and you retrace 38% of the way, 50% of the way, 61.8% of the way. Just like we did here. Exactly like we did here. You know what we did? When we tanked, 35% of our value was lost in less than a month. This looks really cool. Holy crap. Y'all see this? That's cool. We did the same thing. Swing high to swing low. Remember, before I even plot this, I remember we were between the 50% and 618. The perfect common retrace zone before we tanked. Okay, remember? 382 and 618. You were above the 50% and you never even touched the 618. That is a fine area where you can break down reverse price action. Is exactly where we did it, okay? Easy. Easy, man. Once you get the fibs down, dude, you're king. You are freaking king. So invest in yourself and stop trying to get people to answer stuff for you. Do it yourself and learn it. And I do everything I can in here to try to educate as much as I can every single day. But you know what happens is people ask the same questions like every day and it gets really tough. All right, so that's how you fib that way, right? But say you had a nice run up, right? Let's just, for instance, just for the sake of knowing what's going on, say you had a nice impulse up from a swing low to swing high. We can use minor swing highs, major swing highs. They're all relative. Okay, they all work. So when you have an impulse up and you make a swing high, and you can clearly see the swing highs in, we break down here and then we're making lower highs, right? Okay, we know this is a swing high, okay? So we already know we can start retracing. So you forget this stupid volatility wick. You go from the swing low to the swing high to see how far we're gonna retrace, okay? So we retrace 23% of the way and didn't hold it. 38% of the way we retraced, couldn't hold it, smashed right through that 50%, right through that 618 from this swing low to swing high. I'm using this back here because it's the overall pattern. This is what makes sense to me anyway. Okay, using what makes the most sense, right? From the swing low, the lowest low of the pattern to the highest high of the pattern. And I'm looking to see that we're right around that 618, okay? Get it? I hope that helps. And if you don't answer me, oh my God, man, I may never do this again. All right, let me know if that helps. Thanks. Okay. Let's go to Ethereum. Oh, right. Sorry, wrong Ethereum. I haven't updated that one in like a year. Okay. Currently what's going on right now, beautiful, right? Beautiful. Ethereum is at the very bottom of this upsloping channel. Getting froggy, isn't it? Is it a low risk area or are we gonna get screwed? Oh man, I'll tell you this, man, I'll tell you, bite anything you believe. We broke out of a falling wedge pattern. Elevated levels of volume.
What up, El Rey? Hope all is well. Hope everyone inverse wrecked.
What's up, Mr. Demon Man? Right back at you, dude. Freaking love you, dude. Day in, day out, the support you give is overwhelming. You're a Nutella-free, beautiful family. All right. Tell them I say hello, okay? Thank you, dude. And also, thanks so much for saving my back many months ago. All right. You've actually made me a better streamer because I'm able to stream more, right? So you invested this chair to me so I can stream longer and give you more entertainment, laughs, cries, education, more charts, right? I mean, you did that, dude. So I'm very, very grateful, Mr. Damon. Okay, dude. Thank you, dude. Dude, people are getting lit on Twitch right now with these lights. Holy crap. Alright, so anyway, falling wedge, you broke out. But here's the problem, okay? Just like you're doing with Bitcoin, let's fib it relative to the situation. Your most previous swing high to swing low. Ran up, hit the 618, and that's where we stalled and made our lower highs and then broke down. So we reversed our price action at the 618, as we commonly should have, right? That's your last common area, 302, 50%, 618. Say it a billion times. Broke down. Hey, you know what though? Just because we reversed our price action doesn't mean that we're going to zero. We're going down to make lower lows. Not yet anyway. We've got other supports. That's why we drew our channel. If we can pivot here, that would be wonderful. Man, that'd be really good. Okay. Still making mild, very, very small forms at this point of bullish convergence. You're making a higher low than your previous low with lower levels of negative momentum still. That's good. That's fine, right? And same thing on the RSI. You low, higher levels of relative strength still. Barely, all right? Barely. Could change. We've got 30 minutes left on this 4-hour candle. All right, so, hey man, but look, higher high, lower levels, positive momentum. That was bearish divergence. You were warned about that, and you can clearly see it's playing out. But it's not playing out as bad as we would think. Still holding the channel. Awesome. Let's pivot here and be kings. Keep your eye on Bitcoin, because guess what? Bitcoin owns Ethereum. Bitcoin owns Ripple. Yeah. Though Ripple had a nice break to the upside, we know that. It was at 79 cents at one time. 79 cents. And it's currently sitting at 47 cents, okay? Alright. We're talking about 79 cents on this most previous run. Yes, it wicked up to that level. So Bitcoin volatility is going to beckon every other altcoin, including the Kangs, the ones that, you know, perform really well in the short term, okay? So, there you go, man. Get rid of these fibs again. Now we know, just for the sake of education, we ran with the 618 and reversed our price action there. So our other fibs would be for the target of the pattern. It's still really not relative to this situation because we're breaking down now, but it's whatever, man. If we break out of the channel, I'll be more inclined to want to fib. I mean, we can fib to see the retrace levels. You can do it a couple ways. We can just do from our previous minor swing low to the swing high. Or still, look, you've retraced, you're between the 50% and 618 fibs, right? So you're in a common area of retrace. Look what happened last time. Look what we did. Swing low to swing high. Look what we did. Oh my God. Between the 50% and 618 is where we pivoted and broke to the upside. We're in the exact same spot we were before. Alright, same exact stuff. I mean, we're literally, it's identical right now. The retrace we're making from the previous time, okay? So, keep that in mind. So, nothing uncommon about where we are right now on a breakdown. Just saying. Oh, by the way, made the measured move of the pennant as targeted at 219.39. Oh, it feels so good! Wonderful. Okay, man. Someone was saying Larly and me were comparing our wicks today, being gross. But like, you know, whatever. Evidently the Bitfinex and Binance wicks were a little off. So it's just weird, man. Like, I just plotted it like this, like Larly's, and it's like we fell below it, you know, came right back up, and again, 27 minutes left. Hopefully this could close. This could close, you know, above the bottom trend line of the flag, but also above the 618. Okay, man. We're swing low down here to swing high up here. Yeah, the problem with volatility is kind of the kryptonite to Fibonacci, okay? Because you don't really know for certain if your fibs are right, if the market is interpreting things the way you are. And that's what makes these large wicks like that, makes you want to roll your eyes, because you don't really truly know if you're right or wrong, right? Oh, do we just not do that? Do we just use these fibs that aren't crazy? You could, but then you could just be wrong, because the market could be like, yeah, man, we're the 618 actually, right? That's the problem. I don't know about the fibs too much on this because of stupid volatility. It can screw you, all right? So anyway, though, I mean, beautiful golden cross that occurred on the 21st September. Beautiful breakout. Remember that wonderful day on Thursday of last week. A fantastic breakout of a channel that extended back to February. Largest spike of volume we had ever seen on the Binance chart. Largest spike of positive momentum we had seen since February. And the largest spike of RSI we had ever seen on the Binance chart, stemming to 94. Crazy, man. Crazy stuff. So, got to be really excited about a breakout like this with all this volume still outside. What are you worried about? The only people that are worried or scared are those who FOMO'd in when you could have bought in down here. We gave it to you on a silver freaking platter. We don't like doing that, but sometimes we're going to give you those platters, especially patrons, okay? Got this entry at 26 cents. Bull flag. See ya, all right? And then you had the descending broadening wedge at also hit target, and he still went higher than all the measured moves. It's just crazy, man. Just went absurd. Measured move of this little pennant was down at 42.8 cents. We got as low as 42.8 cents. Or, you know, whatever, man. Just off by some percentages of cents. We were very close to the measured move. Okay. Got to be happy about all this, right? Huge spike in negative momentum. We have not seen negative momentum this high since February 2nd. All right. Crazy. That's like, you know, this is the big crash area. All right. So, all right, man. This all holds up. Bitcoin decides it wants to, you know, stay afloat and not be so volatile. Maybe, just maybe, XRP could be setting up for higher prices. Okay, just a more mature, established flag. Look, you have the beautiful impulse up, go from 26 cents. You know, and you know you have a close where your highest candle body closes at like 59.9, pretty much 60 cents. And then you start downsloping consolidation. That's wonderful. That's very good for the sustainability of a possible overall reversal in trend to XRP. So let's try to hold here and pivot and not fall any. Let's definitely not fall back into this channel. I don't know on this much volume how you could fall back into this channel. It would just be dumbfounding. And we'll be here 7 days a week to show you if it ever happens, all right? Just saying. All right. Okay. Look at else. Let's ripple. Cool, man. Cool. Gonna look at some more chat since I went a little bit deeper into like education, whatever, fibs and stuff. Okay. We had the light war, so just gotta scroll up, right? It's a lot of light war. What's up, Crudo Provis, man? Thank you, Kelly from Derivatives. Good to see you as always. Thanks, J Talks, man. Cheers, Nick, man. Tasty toast. You're welcome, man. Thank y'all for just letting me know, give me some feedback. You know, sometimes I'll like be, you know, during the day streams and stuff, I'll do like 16 coins and I'll get a thanks for doing those free requests. I won't even get one. Like, it'll be like not even, it'll just be a radio silence. I'll like finish up doing it, and it's like, Bueller? I don't even know who did it. They, you know, they probably already left. I wonder how many coins I've analyzed where the person that requested it's not even here anymore. Probably a lot. And that's like, it can get frustrating at times, right? When you just give it out your all, you lay it out on the line, and that person's probably not even watching anymore. So, what's up, Mahmood, man? Good to see you, dude, as always. What's good, GB? Just some fibs and some Bitcoin breakdown. It's really alts pulling back, a lot of them. Good to hear, Dallas, man. Cheers, Essex Hammer, man. Remember, the fibs are just relative to what you're looking for, all right? You missed the fib explanation. Well, thank God for VOD, right? Just rewind and you'll see it again, okay? Awesome, J-Rock, man. It's one day at a time. It takes a very, very long time to get this down, okay? Don't think it's going to come overnight, but one day it'll just click, okay? It was like, I've told the story once before. I used to play drums when I was a kid, and like, you know, there's the buzz drum roll and the double tap drum roll. Buzz drum roll is very easy. Anyone can do it. But like the double tap drum roll, I was just practicing and just like couldn't really get it. And then one day it just clicked where it's like, and then just like, oh my God. Then it's like you never forget how to do it after you do it that one time. Once it clicks, it's over. And so that's the way it is with a lot of stuff in charting, I think. Okay, it just clicks and you'll never forget it after that, all right? So thanks, Dallas. Hello, Adrian Sutherland. We got our eye on XRP, so it's okay. All right. Bill Centura, good to see you. Yeah, no, I agree, Harley. I agree. That's a lot of negative momentum, not only on Bitcoin, but look at Ethereum and look at Ripple. They all have the negative momentum building. Just continuing to build, yeah, and none of them. Look at Ripple. Ripple's not even. Ripple's at 41. It could go so much lower.
I cannot teach anybody anything. I can only make them think. Socrates, thanks for challenging us.
Hey, Drew Crew, man, thanks for the elite contribution, dude, to Jesus, man. Thank you so much, man. Thank you, dude. Very nice quote too. I love qualitative, wholesome TTS. It's fun, man. It's inverse of what most people that have TTS have, all right? So always good to see that kind of stuff. Thanks, Drew, man. Really appreciate it. Greg Morgan, light show, yeah, dude, it's lit. I'm sifting through on my restream all the colors, man. King Logan, man. TS fake, man. Good to see you, dude. Another Jesus person. But you just don't understand, man. God. Stop making me smile. No, Billy. Billy, excuse me. I think you misspelled Roll Tide. Okay, you misspelled it. So. Daytime people are probably on Irwin Coffee, so they can't even think about typing. They're just thinking about thinking, right? What's up, man? Dude, thousands of viewers. Dude, come on. Let's be real here. Like, I don't think only like one crypto streamer, and you know him, he's like the largest probably crypto streamer that exists, has like 1,000 viewers in his morning show, right? That's it. Dude, so to say that thousands, come on. It's quite a reach, okay? I'll be happy, you know, to organically grow, continue doing that. It was never about the numbers. It's always just been about helping people, and maybe everything else comes with it, all right? I've never really had too much of an issue. I think I've had an issue with chat, managing chat, how fast it's gone, only a couple times. It's really not ever really been a problem yet, so. Zachary said he started his day with Irwin a coffee, ending it with TA with Mitch Ray. Today was a good day. That's right, Zachary, man. Oh my God, this guy keeps pushing Irwin Coffee. Yeah, well, you're going to deal with it because we're making an emoji ball out of Irwin Coffee's logo. So, get wrecked, dude. So, see, someone wants Pundicoin. Maybe Daystream people are supposed to be working. Yeah, I guess so, right? Bitcoin Jedi's wicking off. All right, man. Good luck. What fib extension? Probably the 236. Oh, shots fired. Is that even supposed to? I don't know. What happens when you get 2,000 subs, Chris Lloyd? When I get 94 more subs, I'll have a devoted overlay. Will be devoted. Everything's gonna be different. I'll be a Viking or a wizard. It's a coin flip. It's kind of like you're not supposed to know. It just happens at this point. Okay, so that's right, Kang Logan, dude. That's right, dude. Thanks, Nexus. I hate, man. I'm just getting through the chat. All right. I feel like it's good for my mental health to go back and forth. All right. look, when the market's pulling back like this, come on. I mean, everything's pulling back. We keep our eye on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple, and everything else kind of follows it. Like, you'll love to see Litecoin, man. I love what Litecoin did. Bitcoin Jedi, negative momentum. Look at your histogram. This is your histogram. At 0 is neutral. Anything above it is positive histogram. Anything above 0 is positive momentum. Anything below it's negative momentum. Histogram is just sensitive to rate of change. Okay. And, you know, we just don't use the MACD signal lines, right? Just because we don't need them for our... This is not how we read them, okay? So... time and price change is what makes this thing move. Okay, very, very sensitive to that, and so it helps us see, look, we are continuously building negative momentum here. We have not, look, eventually what will happen is when you start rounding out a little bit, you start making lower negative histogram wicks. That's when you're like, okay, you're starting to stall a little bit, you're starting to lose a little bit of that negative momentum, might be breaking to the upside soon, right? But we're just, our lowest low so far is the highest level of negative momentum we've seen from this little histogram island, okay, that you're seeing, right? You ran up and you topped out. This was your highest positive histogram wick right here, okay? This was the highest one. Past that, really, the momentum started stalling and changing, and we started losing all our positive momentum, and we started going sideways on the weekend, and it broke out bearishly, right? Thanks, TR Fun Guy. Don't you do it, King Logan. Don't trigger me. Billy's right behind King Logan, triggering me. Don't make me turn on this light. Don't make me turn on the A. Anymore, and I'll just do it, dude. It's about Lintech TV, man. Yeah, Bitcoins, dude. Let's get some Bitcoins and let's do some corn futures, man. Corn futures are up. Sorry, man. I've been dragging so hard today. Like, just sleep has, I did not get much sleep this weekend, okay? And really, nor last night, okay? They're all hyped up on bit cocaine. That's what saved my life today, so. For a few weeks in December, there were some streams with, oh yeah, no doubt, Justin King, man. I'm sure that would come around, but that requires a very, very rare occurrence. All right, that great FOMOs like that, I'm telling you, they don't happen every year. All right. Yeah, hopefully I'm behind on chat, but hopefully you got my answer, Bitcoin Jedi. All right. What's up, Princess Riley? Welcome. Justin Lee, hello. XRP still needs to prove itself, dude. Are you kidding me? If you over double, you do 100% plus gains in 2 days, that is proving yourself. I'm sorry, because there were indications to believe we'd be breaking the upside, and we got that, and we got over 100% gains, dude. That if Ripple needs to prove itself, what does everything else need to do to prove itself, Justin? Man, tell me that, man. If myself, I just doubled my value in 2 days, and that wasn't good enough for someone else, I don't know what to tell you, dude. That's crazy in my opinion. Sorry, music stopped. Gosh, I'm about to just throw on this album real quick. This album's been really good to me, man. It's been great. Okay. Billy Langford! Hey, Billy, man.
Bow to your sensei. Bow to your sensei!
How close are we to 2,000 subs? Chart guys. Hello, chart guys. Hey, chart guys, did you know this?
Marijuana's bad.
I don't know. People in here are telling me it's not. Evidently, it is or not. It isn't, okay? I don't know. How close are we to... We have 92 subs to go. 92, man. Hey, could you spare a couple? You're like 92,000, right? So could I have a couple thousand, man? Thanks, chart guys. Is OX the ticket for OxyClean? Yeah, dude. OxyClean and ZRX, which actually did pretty well today, right? XRP is nothing because X-Rabbit isn't live yet. Kang, Logan, is this true, man? Okay, man. Alright, so someone wanted to see, no, Essex Hammer wanted to see XEM, man. I think this is the right one, right? Oh, we haven't looked at it in a minute, I don't think. Oh, yeah. Good God. Thing has been disgusting. Hold on. Need to do our updates real quick, man. I thought we did this. Maybe it didn't save or something. It's like we had something, right? And then we broke out of it. I mean, we truly did break it. I mean, this was beautiful. Downsloping channel the whole way. These are fib extensions, which I don't even know, man. I mean, there's no real fib extension. You could try, like I think we tried this before, and it still just doesn't work. It's been so devastating.
Is that a joint?
Leads is awesome. Wait, maybe it's not. I keep sending them on eyes to you.
What happened, Montana? Thanks, dude, for the 420 G's, man. Justin Kang. Uh-oh. Dude, Kang Logan, do you see this? Justin Kang's here. He's trying to he's here to usurp you. Welcome to the new episode of Game of Coins. Oh, I can't wait for this one, man. What's gonna happen, Kang Logan, dude? You're screwed, man. You're screwed. Alright, anyway. I don't know, just touched my 1 and 2 on the bottom, then just 3 on the top, and we broke out, man. We broke out. Well, you know, okay, that's cool, but I'm sure you have other stuff too, other angles, right, where you're not that great. Alright. Yeah, something like this. Alright, so, you know, I know you broke out. That's good and all. Very good. A higher low than your previous low. It's good, but you can also have some other stuff where you have touch point 1, 2, and 3 on the bottom, then 4 on the top. You can clearly see beautiful 25% respect. Heartline respect, perfect for heartline respect. 75%. Let me just get rid of this real quick so you can see this, because it doesn't. It matters because you did break out of something, a channel that extends back to, my God, like April 18th. But okay, great. What do we do? Do we?
Please clap.
Is that what we do? I mean, like, who cares, right? This makes the most sense, though, because this includes everything. Yeah, everything. All right, man. You got touch point 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 down here, and then just 1 up here. And then you get heartline respect here, heartline respect here, support, resistance. Man, that's nice. That's really, really nice. Let me clean up a little bit. Just got to spring cleaning, okay? Because we haven't looked at this in a long while, I don't think. Oh, God.
Crypto Kai, Sensei.
I will destroy you.
Thank you and the hard work you do. In honor of Trevor Hero, some 9s 99999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999999.
Okay, man. Okay. Thanks, Trevor Knight, for being a butt. All right, man. Thank you, dude. The 509. All right, man. So that's it, dude. So, you know, pattern recognition. I don't see any patterns really. You could just say maybe right now what's going on is possible this little channel, of course, right? Nothing special about your little pattern. We could do some fibs real quick in the shorter term. The swing high to swing low. Oh, look where we are. Oh, 2 times we failed to break above the 50% retrace. Oh my God. Oh, it's so bullish, man. Oh my God, it's so bullish. I mean, I'm just gonna do it because in case people get confused or think I'm serious. It's not. It's not really bullish at all. It's making a common retrace from a previous swing high to swing low. Wow. between the 382 and 618. One day, I swear people wouldn't be in here memeing between the 382 and the 618. They're like, oh yeah, man, the 382 and the 618, we get it, we get it. One day, I dream. Many dreams of the memes, all right. Also failing to break above the 200 MA. Hey, congratulations on finally getting close to it. Look how long we've been just unable to get above a 200 MA on this scrub coin, man. Really been above it since May. Fail. Just so many failures. Now here we are. MAs are actually, our faster scale MAs are very close now. We'll see, man. We'll see. Break above the 1572 and then we'll talk. Then you're going to have a lot more resistance. You're going to have the top trend line of the little channel we're in. You're going to have the 786 at 1658. You're going to have the heart line, which has been very well respected. Yeah, very well respected. Couldn't sustain prices above that 50%. It's just like a very bearish trend. That's all I can tell you right now. All right, great. If we want to Bulkowski this thing, maybe we could do something. Yeah, so a descending broadening wedge. Okay, you also have a descending broadening wedge. Congratulations, whatever. Okay. Just two diverging, down-sloping trend lines. Price dilation, inverse of contraction. What was that? God. Alright, so that's it, man. You got a channel, you got a fractal, you got a big downtrend.
Our favorite hold period is forever if you are willing to own a stock for 10 years. Don't even think about owning it for 10 minutes. Warren Buffett, Tron Connect.
Who's a Warren Buffett? I don't know who Warren Buffett is, man. But dude, hush. Thanks for the $3.33 and a nice quote, okay, by Warren Buffett. Can someone let us know what's happening here, okay? Thanks, dude. Why are we looking at this? Billy, man, why are we even looking at it, man? Who even cares? It gapped up. It became Kangs. Oh my god, dude. This thing is literally like a, not even a rocket ship. This is like a transport. This is like beam me up, Scotty. We're gonna look at Trevor Knight's favorite coin, I guess. What do you want from me, man? What do you want? What am I supposed to do here? Well, you know, dude, we're just being Kangs, alright? Where did we top out? We topped out around that 786, 1272. Close the day at 1240. Whatever, man. Oh my god, dude. One of these. Dude. Oh god. Let's go to the weekly. Billy, do you love just sifting through these? These? Oh my god. I feel like, dude. I don't know what to tell you, dude. This is terrible. Look, man. Here it is. Is this a cup and handle? Is this a cup and handle, man? Can't wait to see another bull run when that happens again, alright? If you really want me to do this, I'm gonna try, but it's not really gonna do anything. There's nothing I can do here, man, okay? All I can do is fib and just literally...
Oh, would you look at this?
High volume. Something happened with something... Somebody got a deposit in their American shares. Okay, whatever. There's literally nothing I can do here, okay? Do you want me to just, like... I can't do anything here. All right, that's fine. I'm just gonna look at it and look at chat. All right. Am I saying I wouldn't buy it? Yeah, dude. Let me just buy it open tomorrow and see what happens. I mean, whatever, man. Dude, an overall extremely bearish trend? Nah, man. Nah. You're going with a Lily Rose dip to a party next month, bullish or bearish? Lily Rose dip. I don't know even if that's is that a thing? What is that, dude? No. Yeah, Larly, Warren Buffett. Of course I know who Warren Buffett is. I'm just saying the TTS said Warren Buffett. Yeah. I'll sometimes troll people. I troll the TTS sometimes, the people. Alright. Bullcokie. Did I just say Bullcokie? No, I didn't say Bullcokie. My god. What is happening right now? I'm getting inverse trolled. My sarcasm is pretty deceiving. Yeah, because I normally will. I'm pretty good about it, right? Whoa. What happened, dude? The lights are out. Looks scary, man. I'm just reading some chat, alright, getting through it. Yeah, Gustavo, exactly. Vomit on XCM. Okay. So I didn't see much up there. Much chat. I mean, there was chat. It was just like, I don't know. It wasn't really, it was just directed at saying words. Capaception, exactly. So many kappas in the world of this show. Alright. What's up, Libya? For Libyan. 17 Feb. Welcome, dude. Glad you're here. Thanks, John Miller, man. No, the thing is, Larly, we actually had a thing, an inside thing. I don't know. There was TTS going on where we had Warren B. And I'm like, are you talking about Warren Buffett? Are you talking about Warren Buffet? Warren Buffy the Vampire Slayer? We had a bunch of different Warren B personalities, and they keep tipping. All right. So it was weird. My nose itches, man. It has been itching like all freaking weekend, dude. It's annoying. It's really annoying. I think this is it. Tron Connect. I want to get like a 12-year-old child to scream Tron Connect in a sound bit so I can have it on my soundboard, and they'll just be like, Tron Connect, and I'll hit it when we go to it. All right, would that be hilarious? It would be. All right. Oh, a nice little double bottom. Yes, double bottom, man. All right. Breaking out like Kangs. Breaking out of a trend that extends back to the 29th of April, making this higher lows. Higher lows and kind of double bottom, right? So, awesome, man. From a swing high to swing low for targets. If we were to be Kangs, remember? This was for real. If Bitcoin was... Oh, my God. I'm going to do this real quick, and then we're going to continue this, and then we're going to go straight to Bitcoin, okay? Because the 4-hour candle did close, and it's time for your local on the 8s. I don't even know, man. I don't get it. How in the world, every single hour, it goes by so fast. I just don't get it. I'll never figure it out. All right, so we did it, man. We freaking did it, and you got to be happy about this, that we're outside. But again, not really going anywhere yet. And if you look at like your previous major swing high right here, oops. You've only been able to hit the 382. You've not been able to break ever above that 382 from a minor swing high to swing low, you know, comparative to your much larger. We have the larger ones fibbed because look, when you have the channel, the fibs are going to be relative to the entire channel you broke out of. Okay, that's what you do. So we got longer term targets if the market was to turn around or stay healthy. But look, man, we made lower lows than our previous lows back from March and February. Look where we are. We're at 2.11 cents. So you got a lot of adversity ahead of you, okay? A lot. And look how we scrubbed out at the heart line, go figure. Fibonacci wise. All right, low. You have hidden divergence. Right, yes. Hidden divergence. You make a higher low than your previous low. Cool colors. And you make higher levels of negative momentum. So look, you can see the divergence. They're diverging. That's how you know. That is a form of hidden bullish divergence right there. Believe it or not. So let's go, man. Let's run up and break to the upside of this channel. Eventually break out of it on volume. That's really what you'd want to see. I love this volume. I mean, this is the highest volume we've seen technically since April. But you're not getting to higher prices, all right? You're making lower highs than your previous highs. That's not good. It's pretty scrubby, man. Pretty freaking scrubby. All right, man. So that's it on Tron, making lower highs, but higher lows. And you broke out, most importantly, of a channel that extends all the way back to April 30th. And if you had those longer-term fibs, we got a long way to go. I mean, just to hit the 236 would put us at 3.6 cents, and that's like your first target on a breakout like this. Long way to go. I mean, you were in the Shire still. Target is, you know, if you want to get to Mordor, that's up here, man. This is Mordor. I mean, it's really here. This is I don't know. That's like Minas Tirith, Outer Mordor, Inner Mordor. All right, there you go, man. And we'll just draw it like this, right? It's like, you know, up here is like, right? Okay, and then you've got like the Eye of Sauron. Okay, and his eyes like really scary looking. Okay, so Sauron's up here, and we are literally in the Shire right now. We got a long way to go. Alright. Good Bitcoin. Okay. Nice little, you know, wick up, but hey, sorry, negative momentum is at its highest level right now. So, there's no real reason why we would break to the upside right now. We could easily just break down, and look, we're very weak on the R side. It's sitting at 35. Could easily get oversold here if we wanted to. It'd be very cool. I mean, there would be nothing wrong with us hitting the bottom of this, whether you want to call it a flag or our ascending broadening wedge, doesn't matter. Okay, so man, I'm sore as S, alright? God. Thanks, Crypto Tripo, man. And thanks for the 208 people still tuned in somehow, some way. I'm sure we lost half our viewers just from me drawing Sauron on the chart. Okay. Will Smith and the aliens involved. What happened? King Logan sounds scary, man. I'm talking about the usurper, Justin Kang. Yeah, the TA time machine, Zachary. Exactly, man. Okay. What happens if Tron blows up? If Tron blows up, then we destroy all evil in Middle Earth. What are you talking about, Cal? We just talked about this, okay? So, and who wouldn't want that? Oh, price on Mordor. The price on Mordor, I think, was 6.8 cents. Okay, it's a long way, and I don't know how you're gonna get there with Bitcoin being a scrub. All right. Oh, fireworks. All right, sweet, y'all. Thank y'all so much for the 100 likes. I really appreciate y'all every single time you do it, all right? Celebration. It's not a poster, Hush. It's a little bit of artwork, but you can't see it. I can't angle it to where you'd be... Maybe you'd be able to see it. Hold on. Maybe. You can only see the eye. Do you see the eye? It only can see the eye. That's as much as you can see of it. It's got too many monitors. The monitors just piled up to where, yeah, I can't see any of my stuff anymore. Any of the stuff on my wall, it's all hidden now. So now everything's screwed up. Ugh. Guess that's good. All right, man. That was all I could do for you. Chillin says he's working on Julia's bar right now. Excellent. Thanks, Princess. Really appreciate that. Okay, thanks. Crypto Trippo. It's going to the resistance, but still an extra higher low. You guys, that's still positive. Not really in the grand scheme of things, because look, these are minor swing lows, right? They're higher lows, sure. But dude, I don't know, man. Like, this is the impulse down. Okay, this is the impulse down that set the tone for everything else below it. And remember, we ran up to the 50% retrace, and that's it, man. I'm probably about to sneeze. Oh my God. I swear it's like I can't sneeze on air. Like, I'll just mute my mic and sneeze, but like I'm about to, and it just doesn't let me sneeze. All right, so understand we retraced from a swing low to swing high, 61.8% of the way at the very bottom of your common retraces, and now we're starting to move up to a little bit, but again, negative momentum is building. Okay, and it could keep building, and we could keep getting more oversold. We're not oversold at all, but I'm saying we could keep getting weaker on our relative strength index. All right, we could keep breaking down. So we look at that 60-minute. We wanted to. 60-minute, oh God. Bearish convergence on the MACD, low, lower low, higher levels of negative momentum. You got over, very, very oversold. You hit like 20, yeah, 20 on the RSI, bounce back up to 32, which is what you do, right? You're breaking the upside, and guess what's gonna happen? Probably gonna form some sort of bear flag. Probably run up, test that 200 MA on the 60-minute, and then break down to lower prices. Very real possibility, okay? That's it. You got oversold, and then you got out of oversold territory, most likely to only get oversold again with what's going on. Okay. Sweet, man. Never even had a chance to hit that 6,900, the largest, most sexual resistance we could see. Okay. Look at Ethereum again. See how it's doing. There's the beautiful at the bottom of that channel, man. Below the 50 MA gross. Just hit the measure move, beautiful, of the pennant at 219.39. Touched it like the Jesus, man. And really not making much of a retrace at all. Okay. Making higher levels of negative momentum. We had convergence. Gosh dang it. Hold on. I don't know what I'm hitting. I guess I'm hitting enter next to delete. I don't know how I'm doing that. It's so weird. Yeah, this is building now. You had a low. You're making a higher low, and you're making higher levels of negative momentum. All right. This could keep on going. All right, we could go more and more and more. We're uncertain if this is topping out yet or whatever, bottoming out, whatever you want to call it. We're not showing any weakness yet. Just lots of selling momentum. Plenty of room to run to the downside if we wanted to. Currently sitting at 37 on the RSI. Could go as far as we want. Remember that one time when Ethereum hit all the way to 12? Oh my God.
Can we look at the BTC daily and weekly, please and thank?
Sure, Robin, man. Thanks for the 333. I haven't looked at this chart in a second. Hold on. Bitrix one. Here's your daily. Okay. Here is Larley's potential slanted head and shoulders pattern, which we know, everyone knows that it's normally after a huge runs up, but it's not to say that it's impossible for it to be the other way around. Left shoulder head, right shoulder, and the neckline is up sloping, and the neckline's really going to put you at this point probably around 6,200. You fall below 6,200, it could be a bad time. We got horizontal line supports, and we also have the down sloping support of our falling wedge pattern we've had for months now, where we could hit like 5,500 depending on when we get there. Alright, so that's your daily. Daily, you had all this bullish convergence, right, on both oscillators. But then it was time for the bulls to shine, and all they mustered was a scrubby little positive histogram wick. It was a lower high than its previous high. Oh, terrible. That's not what you want to do when you're giving the ball on offense, right? When the defense holds up, the offense, you don't want to go 3 and out. We pretty much just went 3 and out on Bitcoin, all right? That's it. That's your daily, just within the parameters of this falling wedge towards the deep end of it, all right? We could be within this wedge if we wanted to as long as November. Okay. Weekly. Yeah, really not that crazy, man. All the convergence, bullish convergence here and here, and you're doing nothing with positive momentum. Just trash. Just nothing. Literally no volume. Just nothing, man. Volume's literally lower every week. It just keeps getting lower and lower than the previous week. Ugh. Looks like crap, man. Currently, we're trying to bearishly engulf this week. I know it's only Monday, now going on Tuesday. And the weekly started like last night. Yesterday, whatever. 8 Eastern on Sunday is when it started. So bearishly engulfing at this time. That's it. You're below your 20-week moving average. You're below your 50-week moving average. Yeah, so not good, man. Wedge still very, very real. I mean, it's so identifiable on the weekly. Gotta love that, okay? So that is one thing we can hold true to, is the beautiful, beautiful wedge. And not really doing anything on the RSI, just staying at 46, you know, kind of neutral, but doing nothing. That's what I expected. Look at the volume. It's almost gone. Every week, you just lose more and more interest. Less and less people trading this thing. I mean, just based on this. Look, you see it. All right. Swing out and swing low. 50% retrace, and you're reversing your price action to the downside. Okay. Terrible. There you go, Robin. Hope that helps, man. Okay, okay. Go to Ripple. Holy crap, it's getting hot in here. Take off all my clothes. What? God. Been live for 1 hour and 17 minutes now. If you're enjoying this live stream, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Thanks so much to the 212 people still tuned in. I really appreciate y'all. Y'all are amazing. All right. So, you know, had the flag or had the pennant, broke out of the pennant bearishly on some slightly elevated levels of volume, not really, and have not hit the measure move. The measure move was at 42.8 cents, and we are just bouncing off from the swing low down here to the swing high. We're bouncing up to 618, which is at 45.8 cents. All right, so, you know, staying above the 50 MA and staying within the parameters of this flag. Look, when you get this much run, beautiful impulse to the upside, this kind of consolidation is actually good. This is healthy stuff. There's nothing wrong with it. All right, the only people that should be worried about this are the people that FOMO'd in between, what, 50 cents and 79 cents. Yeah, 79 cents we got as high as at one point during all the euphoria when we had extended coverage in our show last Thursday. Crazy. Currently sitting at 43 on the RSI, and our negative momentum looks like it's starting to taper off just a little bit right now, but this is a 4-hour candle, and we have 3 hours and 41 minutes left on it. Okay, so whatever. Could just keep on building if we just want to break down. Okay. God, man, I'm having major allergy issues or something. Dude, what's wrong with me, man, today? I have 6 totals, Prodigal Taurus. Billy, get out of here. No, not yet, Zachary, man. I don't know. I've just been really stingy. I don't know. Just been stingy, man. What's up, Sir Odins? Oh, God, my nose itches so bad, dude. I'm about to have a nose scratch off when I get off stream, dude. Sneeze dysfunction disorder. Dyspnesia. Doctor, if synesthesia is right for me, okay, all in, dude. Could cause death, right? That's the side effect, right? What system do I have? I can give you the specs. Gustavo, hold on. I'm about to sneeze. Oh my God, it's coming. Yes, yes. No. Come back. What is happening right now? Oh my God, dude. What's happening? Hold on. I might be getting a cold or something, man. I don't know. Let me find this so I can give you my PC specs, okay, man? Let it be posted live to the eyes of the nation are upon us, okay? Okay, man. So my specs. I have a iBuy Power Gaming PC Desktop 9200 i7 87K 6-core 3.7 gigahertz liquid cooled Z370 motherboard, GeForce GTX 1070 graphics, 16 gigabyte DDR4, 1 terabyte HDD, 240 gigabyte solid state, Windows 10 64-bit, VR ready. Oh yeah, virtual reality. Oh my God. Oh, it feels so good. Okay, that's it. Those are my specs, man. Okay. Still getting overclocked when I'm trying to play a foosball game while streaming, while charting, while doing everything. I want to do it all. Jeez. Give me a second. Ah, oh, God. Hope that helps, Gustavo, man. Let me know. All right. Wow. Bama's favored by 49. Awesome. Case of blue nose. What is that? Did I just lose contact, Prodigal Taurus? Yeah, contact to the mic, yeah. Just scratched the cartilage. Alright, let me just start picking my nose on stream, man. That'd be really nice. Ah. Stare at a bright light. It's not working, man. Oh my god. It's just insatiable. This insatiable itch in my nose. No more scrubby coins? John Law, are you sure, man? Snort Wasabi, King Logan, dude? Alright, dude. Let me just do that and die. Okay. Alright, so I don't, the sneeze, like, it like came and went. It's like, you know, it's not here anymore. Don't fall for it. Watch him cover this time. Papa Crypto, thanks, man, for the concern, dude. Yeah. I'm just draining a little bit. Happens. I just gave myself an immune system workout this weekend, okay? So, yeah, I'll get some vitamin C, alright, man. Alright, let's go to some Dash for Mr. Trippo, man. Okay, here's your rising wedge pattern. Here's your fell out of the rising wedge pattern on no volume. So, interesting. Somehow holding up, you know, somehow, some way. But chances are we'll break down to lower prices soon, okay? You're making lower lows, higher levels of negative momentum. Lower lows and lower levels of relative strength. That is just bearish convergence everywhere, right? I don't know why we wouldn't break down to lower prices here of Dash to BTC, okay? That's a huge impulse up, and we have formed an exhaustion flag, or exhaustion pattern, excuse me. People didn't have much of an opportunity to accumulate, and you know what? Demand dried up, and now we're outside of that, but we floated along it for long enough, and now we're out, all right? I'm sorry, y'all. But that's great in the shorter term, right? So, rising wedge in the TTS. What happened, dude? What happened? I have allergies to scrub coins. That's probably it. I'm allergic. No, if I was allergic to scrub coins, dude, I wouldn't have been able to do this for 7 months, dude. Okay, we cover a lot. All right. Good God. So what, man? We rallied a nice little run up, like a lot of these coins did. A lot of these S coins had their little rallies and never really truly made higher highs than the previous highs, and you know, some just formed bearish patterns of breaking out of those. Okay, like, you know, they're following suit to the Kang, which is Bitcoin. Both streams just temporarily dropped. Uh-oh. What? Oh, okay. I guess I know what happened. I guess my internet or something went out temporarily because I couldn't chart either. My chart stopped. It stopped loading, and half my chart wasn't even on screen. So, no idea, dude. I don't have an apple or an orange, dude. I don't have one. I have milk. I have bacon, I have eggs, I have steak, I have burgers that I could cook. But I don't have anything right now. I don't have any vitamin C, I don't think, right now. Drink a little whiskey, feel better on a Monday night. Ugh. Whew. I don't have any kind of medicine at my house either, Zachary Schneider, because I'm just like, I keep forgetting about it. Like, I'll be like, oh yeah, man, I'll get the ibuprofen and Tylenol and all that, and I like just won't, every time I go out, I just forget about it, and like I just say, oh well, I'll be okay, and then I just rough anytime I get, like, you know, hungover or anything. I just don't take medicine. Can I give the specifications in Spanish? Kappa ID, yes. I could try to read them in Spanish. Wouldn't that be funny? I can't really do it in Spanish because no habla Espanol, but could definitely give it a shot. Alright, Crypto Tripo, what do you want? Bearish pattern and a bear trend. Oh my god. Oh my god. More S coins that I've heard of like twice. Milk makes it worse, but not Peter North. Wait, according to y'all, milk fixes everything, okay, man? Everything. So, I'm just saying. No citrus. Nope. No citrus. Yep, keto. Yeah, man, that's how I keep my beautiful, beautiful sculpture of a body, alright? I can make a milk steak. Sophie, that sounds wonderful. Oh my god, I keep seeing C4C. I think that has something to do with the devil's lettuce, alright? Getting pulled in and suckered into these persistent scrub coins getting requested over and over. Ugh. God. Just to be a troll, I'll do it. Whatever, man. May not just do it the way you want it to be done, alright? Alright. Oh, he did it, but he didn't do it the way I wanted. Surely, right? Surely. Nah, this is gonna suck so bad, probably, and ain't gonna work. Nah, that doesn't work, man. That's trash. Okay. Oh, God. It's like you had these different angles and nothing really makes sense anymore. Good for us.
Is that a joint?
You need to take care of yourself. We need you, Ninja. Alexa, add ibuprofen and vitamin C to my shopping list and some sleepy time tea. Kangs don't have time to be sick. Fix it.
Yeah, man. Dude, thanks for the 420 product advertisement. Thanks so much, man. Man. Alright. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, man. So, or maybe a wedge, of some sort, right? But you know, very, very minor price contraction, if you're gonna call it that. Okay. And so you're at the very, very top of it, okay? You like the double bottom you're getting, kind of. It's a higher low, really. All right, so. Y'all are like literally watching my like immune system in a battle, an epic, legendary battle, okay? The battle that, like, the battle for Middle Earth, okay, man? That's what's going on right now. Dude, I was, like, healthier at the beginning of the show. Hour and 30 minutes into this show, my health has actually deteriorated. I'm actually starting to sweat a little bit. so I think maybe I'm picking up a fever, and I'm like battling. I don't think anyone cares. I mean, God. ASD now! Stream crashed again? Really? I don't know, man. I don't even know anymore, man. God. One man's trash is another man's B-cash. That's funny. That's funny. So, dude, I don't want to tell you, lower highs, lower lows. Lower highs, you're finally making a higher low. Who cares, man? You've made higher lows before and you've crapped out. Look, this is the thing to take from this. A really bad bear trend. Okay, you're making the lowest times you've ever seen in your entire life. Yeah, yeah. But you're making a barely, slightly higher low than your previous low. Who cares? Who cares? So, we can fib it if you want. What do we run to? What are we at? Oh my god, man. We're at the 50% retrace, pretty much, alright? Good for us. You know, a long way to go before you start to, you know, you have to go to 11.7 cents if you want to. That's your overhead resistance. This is a long way away. Alright. God, some colds are so enjoyable. Is this true, Papa Crypto, man? You like being sick, dude? I haven't been sick in like over a year. God. Slippery slope of mucus. Oh yeah. Man. Nope, I can't. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna get out of here early. God. So many S coins. So many S coins. Alright. Thank you all so much for being here. Alright. I'll be back tomorrow at like 5 Eastern. Alright. And thank you all for being here. Thanks for the contributions. Thanks for new subs. Alright. Until next time, respect the TA.